when Clayton was asked, when did you first know you loved Taylor, and when did you first know you wanted to marry Taylor, he answered in 2003.
I mean, there have only been 3 presidents in the White House since they first started dating.
I think, life is memories. And one of the greatest memories you gave me today, walking down the aisle with you.
Clayton, you have rings from state championships, conference championships, and bowl games, but I know that the ring that you're most proud of is the one you got here today.
And the more I hung out with Taylor, the more I realized that it's always been Taylor and Clayton in a really good way.
All the best of memories you can have. Salute.